Yes, go ahead.
All right, hey, welcome. It's 10 o'clock on Sunday evening. We'll do a little quick video here, live stream about looking for an overnight position tonight. This is Titan Futures, so thanks for checking us out. This is our second night stream, I guess you could say. We mainly trade from 9 to 11 every morning, and we'll do that right back here in the morning. But we're just going to kind of look at doing an overnight trade here, and just wanted to kind of do a little quick live stream to show it. So. It'll be myself and Soto on the line. Soto, you there?
Yes, I am. Good day.
All right, good deal. Well, hey guys, if you're checking us out, just look at the disclaimers there. You know this is for educational purpose only, okay? So everything you decide to do here would be definitely on your own decisions. But any trades we take are not a trade recommendation. Everything is strictly on your own. It's for educational purposes only. All right, so we'll get that out of the way. The legals out of the way. And again, like I said, this is going to be very quick tonight, maybe 10, 15 minutes at most. We'll look to set up a trade here, then kind of go on. Sunday night, we got families, but it's always a good time to get in the market on Sunday night. It's usually going to get a pretty good move, and we just try to catch that move, you know. And what we do, we have a pretty good risk to reward setup, you know, where we'll definitely look to try to make 3 to 4 times our risk, excuse me. So, we have a very small risk and a large reward, which is always important when you're taking these longer trades like this. So, but anyway, Soto, yeah. So, kind of tell everybody kind of what we normally do here, or what you're looking at, or well, you're probably not really looking at a lot, are you right now, or are you? Do you have your 1 hour chart open today?
Yeah, I got the 1 hour. Yeah, I'm at 1 hour right now.
Okay.
60 minutes.
Okay, good. So if you see in my chart, you'll see I had a zone drawn already that was taken care of very nicely at 7 o'clock Friday morning. That zone was already drawn up pre-market. We just didn't catch the trade, but it was very nice, you know. So a big dump, big drop on Friday afternoon, and we caught it with some auto trader money and some intraday stuff, but not on the overnight there, but from Thursday. But that's okay. But I've got another zone drawn up. It's a hit tonight on the 2000 candle. I know Soto doesn't like that at all, but that military time. But it's what it is, and we got you agree with that inside candle there, Soto?
Yeah, is it from
today?
It's the one from today?
Tonight, yeah.
Like 3 hours ago?
Yes, 3 hours ago.
Uh-huh.
You see it?
Yeah. I do.
Okay. Well, that's going to be our most recent one, right?
Correct. Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry. I'm looking at it. Yeah, it has a very small little wick, right? It's the one before I think it's not quite a doge. But before the spinning top there on
yeah,
so
exactly.
The one on 20, right? Yeah. All right, see it. Perfect.
Yeah. So what I would do here, I'd be looking for price to come back in here and bounce along right at the top here, especially because we have that spinning top right there at 2100 hours, right? So
Yep.
Definitely going to show some rejection there, I think. Pretty good move there. So I would go ahead and I would put a trade right here. I'm going to go ahead and do that at 71.5. So I have a trade there, and I'm looking for price to get to at least my very next previous high, which would be
29.80 point and a quarter.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, so that's where I would look to take my first position off. so
Chronic smoker.
yeah, you would think. I mean, as much as I'm having to.
I'm sorry, I can't help it.
I have about a cigar a year.
Right.
You'd think I smoked every day, man, a pack a day
Right.
or something. Well, I don't. I never have, but it's kind of funny. Because Rachel even made mention of that she said, when you get on in the mornings, you always having to cough a lot. Everything okay? I was like, man, I don't know what happens. I guess I talk more during this time than I do all day long, so it's kind of like maybe my voice is not used to it.
Yeah, it's funny, but yeah.
But anyway.
All right.
Anyway.
All right. Let's see here.
So yeah, so again, we trade every day, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. We trade the same method, but we use 5-minute candles. Okay, these are 60-minute candles because we want to catch a bigger move. And our ATM's a little bit different. Our strategy's a little bit different as well. So we'll try to catch the bigger move, and so therefore we'll have a little bit wider stop, but it's always in our favor. Because my ultimate, I'll get out a risk to reward here. Tool. So yeah, so that would be my risk to reward right there. That I've drawn on my chart. We're real willing to risk 4.5, right? 4.5 to get to where? We're willing to get to first out at 12.5, 12 3/4. Would be our ultimate, but our first move would be off at right here at the top here. So let me go ahead and redraw that here. I have a lot of things drawn here, but that's all right. So our first move would be off at 9 points. Okay, and our ATM will reflect that. But our second move would be nice to get all the way up to up here at 29.90, which is the zone that rejected out of. Pretty nice on Friday at morning. Would be 18 3/4 points. So definitely a good risk to reward we have going on right here. So. That's the reason I'm okay with the trade, and we'll let it just kind of do what it wants to do. If it wants to trigger overnight, then great. If it wants to take off without me, then that's okay too. We just have to be patient and wait for our trade because it's going to probably move one way or the other pretty good. We would like it to go in our favor, but we'd like it to come back down, just pick us up and bounce off of that support that's sitting there, and then that little demand zone that we have drawn up, and it also coincides with some good support from yesterday. From Friday. So we'd like to see that bounce and then give us a good run up. So that's kind of how I'm going to set my position, and then just kind of let this do what it's going to do. So you got anything to say, So you're typing away there. You got something?
No, good. I'm making the calculations here for my strategy. So
okay.
Nope. Everything's good. I agree. Perfect.
Okay. Yeah. So. These when we do these night things like this, these night live streams, they're going to be quick, short, and sweet. Nothing to them, They're going to be a 10, 15-minute time frame. That's it. Not a lot needs to be done to them. They're hourly candles, so reality is you're not going to have a lot of fast price action until later on. And so we try to set these before we kind of go to bed, and then hopefully wake up with some profit in the account, and that's kind of how the night sessions will go. But we'll do these 4 to 5 nights out of the week. And then, but we want to get back to, we'll trade on the 5-minute candles every day from 9 to 11. So, anyway, Soto, I think that's about it, unless you got something to say.
Yeah. No, perfect. So,
yeah,
we got everything. So we're only putting in one. So we're not doing 2 potential trades. I mean, not 2. We're not doing a supply or in demand or a long and short. Put a trade in, and if one triggers, it takes the other one out. We're not doing that. We're just putting in this one to go long, and that's it, right?
Yeah.
If it picks us up, great. If it doesn't, it doesn't.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I'm not putting an OCO order in. You could definitely do that. And if I were to do that, I would be up there around 88 1/4.
Right.
That's where I would put, because of that hidden zone, that supply zone there. You could definitely put one there. But I'll adjust this to recognize that. So you could definitely put a supply zone where I've just changed it on my chart there. You could definitely do that if you wanted to put an order in to go long, and put your target right below that. Maybe front run it a couple ticks, and then put your sell order right there at 88 1/4 or 88 even, and then take the short trade down. Absolutely do that.
Okay.
I'm just not going to do that right now. I'm just going to kind of try to catch this position to go long here, and hopefully it comes down and bounces right on our entry and gives us a chance to run. It's kind of what I'm hoping for, and I think it's got a good opportunity to do that. So I'm just going to I'm going to leave it there. I'm not going to overcomplicate it right now. Just kind of keep it simple, and we can check back on it in the morning when we wake up to come to our 9 o'clock session. and we can kind of see what's happening. We've either won or lost. That's kind of how this game's played in the evening.
Okay. Awesome, man. No, that thing's going to be great. I guess we'll see you tomorrow then. We're going to rock this out tonight.
Yeah, man, that's it, man. We'll just keep it 10 minutes, not crazy. Nope. 10, 15 minutes, and that's how these things are going to roll. There's no reason to stand around and just talk a lot unless somebody chimes in and they have a question, of course. We'll definitely stand around and answer that. But when it's just we're just mirroring what we would do normally in the mornings. It's just going to be a lot slower, so that's really all it is. So I'm gonna call it, man, at that point.
All right, buddy.
We got our trade
thanks
in.
for listening and watching. I guess we'll see everybody tomorrow morning.
Yeah, man, thanks. And we got our trade in. We're just going to see what happens. And if it goes and gets us, great. If not, no big deal. All right. All right, guys. Thanks. And we, like I said, we go live at 9 o'clock every morning. We use 5-minute charts. There's a lot more action, obviously. And we're live every morning from 9 to 11. So come check us out. And we'll start doing these live streams at night as well. For 10, 15 minutes, kind of see if we got any positions setting up for an overnight trade, but we'll kind of check those out, 4 nights a week or so. But anyway, all right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and call it. Hope everyone had a great weekend and a good night today and a good day at church today, or what have you, if you decided to go. But we hope to see you guys tomorrow morning, and sleep well, and God bless. Bye-bye.